Alright, boys and girls, so sorry for all the time lapses. I don't have a garage partner that can hold the camera and we can chit chat and play around, but I hope you're enjoying the little time lapse and the little changes that we did to the FD. I'm gonna put the side skirts on real soon. Might give you another time lapse, I might just do it, but I do have one more surprise for you. So I'm feeling a bit generous, so I got new wheels for the FD, but there's a catch. I'm still in the wheels of the CRV, and you're like, Ramon, why you're doing that? Well, don't get me wrong, I love the wheels, but I just gotta keep giving it a little bit taste, giving it a little bit of my touch. So we already did some of the LED lights, some of it failed, but we got the headlights, this one, which would be like a city light. We got the corner lights, fender lights, and we got the rear side marker and then the rear bumper. And as well as, again, I want to give the car a little bit of my touch. So I took the wing off. I don't know if I shown this on the video, but it's a little bit tragic. Whoever owned this car before, didn't paint it there, so I'm gonna deal with that later on. I'm not too worried about it right now. It is a project car, so gives me a little more to show you guys. Yeah, it's dirty, so give me a little bit of slack. So tail lights, LEDs couldn't get changed, but I got new wheels for the car. So let me show you the new wheels and let's get it going. So the wheels that I currently have on the car are 17 by 9 plus 45. So I do have, for the CRV, I do have 17 by 9.5 plus 35. They were made by Gio over in Florida. That boy takes care of everybody over there. Check him out on his Instagram. I tagged them on my Instagram as well if you want to see them there. But we're gonna go get these wheels mounted on the FD. Give it a little bit of flavor. They're gonna be a little bit sunk in because the CRV is a little bit more smaller than the FD. So I got spacers on the way. My boy Andre, just a CTR on Instagram, is gonna let me borrow some spacers for the time being while I figure out the wheel setup for this car. So let me put the side skirts on. Let's go. Alrighty, boys, I was able to fit all 4 wheels in the FD. Got 2 in the front seat, 2 right there, and then 1 back here. And you may be like, oh, why you only have 1? Well, that one I try to put it right here, but it was hitting the glass, and I know that glass is expensive and I want to take a chance. So it's just, I'd rather scratch that plastic back there than break the glass. All right, so let's get it going. I'm gonna put the side skirts real quick on. I can be looking like a bum in the streets, you know what I'm saying? Cause so whoop, and then we get it rolling. All right.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
The pain makes it real, I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts
so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every
All right, boys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Before I say my goodbyes for the next one, let me do a little walk around for you. I ended up putting wheels, and I just want you to understand this is temporary. This is not a set in stone wheel setup. So my plan with these wheels is just to enjoy for now. Again, just like I've been saying on video, I want to put a little bit of my touch in the vehicle. So these wheels are originally for my CRV, and I just put them there just because, again, I wanted that little touch. I wanted to feel it. Again, the car doesn't have suspension, doesn't have much, but I gave it a little bit of touch and my love today. So I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy the video. And here's a little walk around of the car. All right, boys, here is the car. I hope you love it because I'm enjoying it. The car is dirty. Again, I don't drive the car that often, so the car is a little bit dirty. And yeah, I ended up putting my CRV wheels on it. And I honestly love it. It needs a little bit better fitment. Again, I don't have coils, so it's a little bit sunk in, but I am gonna put some spacers on it and go about it. So a little checkup. We did the lights, we did the headlights, we did the little city lights. Again, like I told you guys, the turning signals as well as the real tail lights didn't come in, so that's the only thing that sucks right now, but I'm enjoying it very, very well. It looks very good. I did the fender lights and then the rear bumpers, but the car looks really, really amazing. Again, this wheel setup is temporary, so enjoy it for now. I am planning on getting coilovers, so I'm waiting on that to come through, but I'm very excited about this new look. I'm gonna wash the car and post it one of these days, make it look really clean and nice. I do love the wing setup. No wing setup, it looks 10 times better, honestly. To look at it from this angle, oh my god, that is fire. Oh, I'm so excited. Jeez. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great night. See you.